Hello, welcome to FullSizeFord here in Eastern Washington today. Got here is a 64 Mercury Hardtop Marauder variety. Looks like this is probably an original paint car sitting here for sale. Not so sure this one would be restorable at this point or worth it, but I think it probably has a lot of pretty good parts on it. See some extra trim inside the trunk too. Kind of take a walk around it. Sorry, I'm just using my iPhone today, so this quality might not be all that great. The car's been sitting for a long time. It's been behind this building here for a while, but just the other day we noticed that it had been rolled outside and the for sale sign had been put on it. Don't know if there's a drivetrain in it. See if we can pop the hood. That quarter panel's pretty rusty there. You see, this is the fastback model, not the breezeway. That's the Marauder designation, which came in both 2- and 4-door. Engines for this car could be a 390 2-barrel, 390 4-barrel, or if you were super lucky, doubt this one being a 4-door would be the 427. Let's see. Trunk lid looks in decent shape. Rear bumper's a little bent up. Probably be salvageable. Probably to use on another car again. Not sure that this being a 4-door would be really worth restoring. Drop a line down in the comments, tell me what you think. If you'd put this back on the road or use it to help another one live. Let's get a look at the inside here. This headliner's kind of dangling down. Looks like there's the tail panel piece and then another grille inside the car. Bench seat car. Again, this is a 4-door hardtop, so the whole side's open when the windows are down. These were pretty cool. This one appears to be in the Montclair trim. Boy, there went some rice. Which would be the middle trim line. The Monterey being the lowest, and the Park Lane being the top model. You see these had some unique features, like the pedals were like the Galaxy 500 XL. One really cool thing on these cars that I've always liked is the dash. Some guys will put this dash in a Galaxy. Is the Mercury lettering across the dash there. Let's see what the 37912 reads the odometer. I'm gonna be fairly certain that's not original mileage. Let's take a look at the data plate on it. Take a look at this here. Let's see, this is a 5th digit's a Z on this one, which would denote the 300 horse 4-barrel 390. Let's see if we can get under the hood. Take a look and see if the motor's still there. Right. Let's take a look here, see if we can get the hood open. Take a look at what we got under the hood, if we can. Well, there's what's left of a motor in there. This is a power brake car. Looks like definitely been sitting for a long time. Wouldn't be surprised if this motor's not seized. See the power brake booster there with the old, they put his fruit jar hooked to it. You never know, there could be parts in the trunk. Look at the cal tag on it. See if we can get in there and take a look at it. Yep, looks like it matches the door. Hood's in good shape. Intake carburetor long gone. Got distributor laying over here. Battery trays gone as well. Don't see any rot under the battery tray, which is really nice. It's pretty rare on a car like this. See the windshield washer squirter pump down there. Again, not a car that I would restore. Definitely would probably use this one for parts. Should still have a 9-inch rear end under it. Again, 64 Mercury Marauder. Montclair trim. See, a lot of the side trim's missing again. Who knows what might be in the trunk. Let me know what you guys would do with this thing. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Thank you.